yourself.
I'm Akash Yadav and I'm in 11th class with science stream and I'm studying in government school and I live in Billabgarh, Bhagat Singh Colony.
What do you want to become?
I want to become an aerospace engineer
Why only aerospace engineer? Why not doctors?
because because I want my passion because I am very passionate about being an aerospace engineer because it's my curiosity to how to that's how everything works in our world which and every phenomena how it's work in our world that we I know I want to know everything. That's why I want.
Is it animal testing justified or not, according to you?
Yeah, in nowadays it is good it is good because as we don't testing on animals then that uh, then we don't find a solution of that disease and uh, any right information that how this vaccine and other experiments work.
Okay, as you said that you are studying in government school,
Yeah.
people have some narrative in their mind towards the government school children. So, what do you want to say about it?
Yep. Uh, that's well, most people say some negative comments for government school. Somewhere it is right because in government school, lack of awareness of teacher. That's why this thing happens. And but those who are dedicated to his study and her study, those uh, this and for government school is for them is best उनके लिए.
What is your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is science
Why? Why only science?
because it's connected with my passion. That's why.
Okay, do you believe that destiny choose our path and or we can create our path by ourselves?
That both are right because if we create our own path in life, that's it's always work. That a person who are wasting his half life, but that's like a KFC chairman. His when he turned 60, then he opened KFC, and now he is now a billionaire.
Okay.
That's why.
Is it okay to have plan B?
For some peoples it is okay, but though but though those people who are very dedicated to his plan A, then he is right.
Okay, what are most important skill that you think that everyone should have for their career?
The most important thing for
Most
Skills.
important skill.
important skill for the person in their career and also in life is being a is being a science enthusiastic person. If you know about science, no I don't say about textbook science, I say about some general our life thing science, like why this thing happens, why our brain always want some negative things. If everyone knows that type of things, then no one will uh, affected by some negative auras.
Should we prefer private transport or public transport?
uh, we prefer government transport because if yeah, if we if persons use their car and and other a government bus, and in government bus I think 50 seats are in, but if 50 people are buying their car and running on road, then it's capture more area compared than government bus. That's why uh, we should promote government buses.
But do you not think about it? If we prefer public vehicles, so it can be cause us and some kind of frauds or scams can be happen with us.
Yeah, it happens like in nowadays if you charge your phone with in any train public train and bus, then your data will stolen it is worse because in government transport lack of awareness of technology it happens, but in private the owner have responsibility and some regulation, that's why it not happen in private transport.
Okay. What step our government should take towards the safety of women?
Nowadays, government takes many steps towards safety for women, but also some crimes happen because everyone say we should uh, kill the criminal, but in my opinion and most of the knowledgeable person opinion that if we should not promote the uh, killing a person, we should promote the fear of catching, like if a person do such things, then he have to fear that type of things. If we do these things, then then I caught by police and I punished. But if we promote this thing, not promote that, if government promote this thing that if a person do a crime, then he will punish and he will, and we will kill and we will matlab, we will punishment to kill himself, but we should not promote.
Should we prefer our rituals or our tradition, or should we adjust according to the modern era?
We should perform our rituals and cultures because in India rituals and cultures are more important than anything, because Indian peoples are very stereotype persons and we are very holy type of persons, we are also, and but as we know that in many smart cities like Faridabad and also Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, in these type of cities the modernization are happens, and these type of things or rituals and cultures are performing in only villages and some remote areas, and it should not happen that.
That's it. Okay, nice to talk to you.